hope you're well. Today we're going to look at a G major chord. Okay, here's a G major chord. Oh, very lovely and nice singing too. Index finger of the left hand on the 2nd fret of the A string. The middle finger on the 3rd fret of the bottom E, the one at the top. And then ring finger or little, whichever one you want to do, on the 3rd fret of the top E. So that's directly underneath the bottom E, then mirroring them. Press down really hard, and then with your thumb all the way from the bottom E. Let's try that again. Index finger of the left hand, 2nd fret of the A string. Middle finger on the 3rd fret of the bottom E, and then little or ring, whichever you're most comfortable with, on the 3rd fret of the top E, then with your thumb all the way down. That's a G major, easy peasy.